severe thunderstorm was located near Kokomo, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Tipton and windfall around 9:20 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Elwood around 9:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Orestes, Alexandria, and Frankton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Clinton, Howard, Madison, and Tipton. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio KEC74 in Indianapolis. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Madison County, Clinton County, southern Howard County, Tipton County, until 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:12 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Kokomo, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Tipton and windfall around 9:20 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Elwood around 9:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Orestes, Alexandria, and Frankton. For your protection, move to an